New King Awakening. The brand new King is here. King's Awakening Day. All the new and working codes. Inside of the brand new blue lock. The lion is awakened. The lion is awakened. Let me showcase the new lion. Look at this photograph. Lion Awakening. Wow. Do they leaked it? No way they leaked it. New codes have been leaked for the brand new blue lock update. I also want to see if there's any animations. Is there any animations? Whoa, what do you mean? Whoa, 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 whoa. Phone number. I'm not getting called by John Pork at 3 AM. 1 million interested for a new code. Leaks, sneak peeks. Wait, sneak peeks are here. Let me showcase the sneak peeks really quickly. Okay, I muted it. I muted it. Don't worry, guys. I muted it. What is up? What is even happening on my screen? Wait, that was it? Okay, I guess we got the very cool king animation over here. Very cool. Yo, he's about to explode. Somebody hold his hand. Somebody hold his hand. He's about to explode. Yeah. Let's showcase the brand new codes. Open up your codes and we have the new and working codes inside of blue lock. God. Finally God code. Finally God code. Sprinter! Exclamation point. The God Sprinter! Exclamation point, by the way. Redeem this amazing code for some free lucky spinneronis. The next code is going to be Godspeed. Godspeed, I shall meet. Let's go. Godspeed. Wait. Oh, I just showed you a Loki animation. Ah. Okay, don't worry, guys. Do not worry. That was just Loki. They didn't even leak the... Oh, what is happening on my screen? Yo. What is happening on my screen? Care package. Redeem care package as well for free. Lucky spins as well as lucky 7 exclamation point. Lucky 7 exclamation point. King REWORK exclamation point. King REWORK. New King Awakening cutscene. Bug fixes, Loki tweaks, more changes coming soon. These are actually all the new and working codes inside of the brand new King update. Sub up.